Hey friends, we are live. Welcome. So, what are we going to do today? We are going to make an interface design for my indie game. And yeah, we streamed yesterday as well, and we pretty much turned this into this, which isn't just my UX design, and took this as an inspiration to create this so far. And that's where we are. And yeah, today we're gonna work on this screen, which is the main screen of my game, and improve it. So, where do we start? Yeah, we were going to do these kind of, how do you call it, data visualizations, I guess, maybe. And yeah, we want to turn these in our style. And before we do that, I have to arrange the font because I was switching it up. I was changing the font to a different font, so let's change that real quick. Yeah, that looks good. And I feel like we can delete all these, because I'm just gonna make one and then duplicate the rest. There's also the wrong font. Let's go for Inter. That looks good. Yeah, one thing we have to do in the near future is setting up a color scheme for our game, because I'm just using random colors I found that looked quite good, but nothing I can really deeply rely on. So we have to look into that maybe tomorrow, but not today, I guess. We're gonna see. Yeah, so do I like the spacing and the sizes? I think so. Yeah, it's okay. It's nice. Yeah, it's fine. Let's go with that. And do I change it into this kind of thing? No, right? No. Fuck it. And this is 44 pixels, which is a little bit too small. Oh, I have to set things up this way. Yeah, and I don't like it this way, so this one has to be a little bit bigger. Yeah, like this. That's better. So now I can arrange it here, and that is nice, and that is also good looking. Yeah, so we do have 8 pixels between them. That's too big, right? Yeah, that's kind of a little bit too big. Maybe it's just really 4. Yeah, that looks better somehow. Or maybe this needs to be like 14 pixels. Is that big enough? It kind of is, but it could be that way. But that's like 16 though. Let's make it 14. I feel like it needs to be a little bit smaller, because 16 is our base font size, and a lot of things are going to be 16 pixels. And because this is just like a label or a headline, it should be a little bit smaller. We can maybe even make it uppercase. Then it could also be like just 12 pixels. Is that nice? I don't know. Could be, right? I feel like I have to see later. Let's leave it like that. So what are the sizes? It's still 4. Oh, that's cool. But this can actually again be a little bit smaller, like 44, which it was before. That's typical me, doing stuff and reverting it just a couple minutes later. Okay, but the rest looks good. How many spacing is there? 12. I would more like to go with something like 16 or 8, one of these. Yeah, maybe it's 16. 16 looks better, so let's go with 16. But then again, 12, maybe it's 12. And again, just rebooting what I just did. Okay. Yeah, so this needs to be a little bit lighter, so I can see it, or the user can see it better. And I'm not sure about the color I want to use, but probably gonna be something like, I don't know, just go with white right now. You're gonna see. Yeah, and then we're gonna have some kind of icons like these two right here. What are my things again? It's portfolio value, cash, profit loss, cash, and profit loss. So kind of have to find icons for all of these. Yeah, I'm just going to do it like this, because then I can make that up, and it's yeah, it's a nice. It's on the edge, so they share the same edge, same sizes, which I like in interface design. I'm doing the same with this one, so I can reduce it a little bit, unplop that, so this is easier for me to yeah, arrange stuff later on. If I make it a group, it's just straight up really nice, good looking group, so I like that. Yeah, so am I going to duplicate it right now? Yeah, I am. Maybe the spacing is 80 right here, so this could be it. Yeah, let's put in some values, some correct values. So this is what did I say? Portfolio value is the first one. Cash, yeah, cash and profit loss. So cash. So if my portfolio value is a couple million, my cash is probably not so much. So it's maybe less than something else. So maybe like that's my cash right there. That seems to be, yeah, let's leave it like that. That's the cash. And then I have, oh yeah, right. And then I have my profit loss. And this is way less, so it's maybe like 15,000 or something, really small value. Yep. And then I've got research points and yeah, experience points or something. So how do I call them right now? Let me call them engineering points, right? Do I really call them engineering points? Does that sound good? That's kind of like a random currency? Engineering points? This is something my engineers, so my employees who are engineers are producing. So engineering points, they aren't producing points. They are producing assets, or maybe resources? No. Components? Engineering components? AI components? Because I'm doing an AI, so it could be AI components. Modules? I like modules. Engineering models, AI models. Maybe AI modules. Yeah. That could work. But I don't like that my engineers, oh, they are AI engineers, so they can produce AI modules. But I like components better, because modules, maybe not every gamer would understand what a module is, but a component maybe is something more grippy, what the people understand. So AI components. Let's go with components for now. I can change that later, of course. Let's just go with that. Oh, I see, I've got a problem. I need to fix that later. Yeah, and that's the only one which isn't a currency, so you have like maybe 1,000 engineering or 5,000 engineering components. And last but not least, you have research points. Research points. Points is again not so great. Not such a great name. Maybe call it research insights, but that's also not so cool currency. Research. I'll leave it at research points. Let's keep it like that for now, just for now. And yeah, you maybe have like 1,000 blah 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 research points. Not so many. And that's pretty much it when thinking about currencies. Maybe I'm introducing another currency later in the game, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Yeah. I have to see. So the problem I was talking about earlier is that these are of course not all the same with, and I have to think how I want to solve that. do I want them like, yeah, they are also not the same width, but they always have the same size, right? Like this and that and that. Yeah, it's always the same size. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. It's easier also to program as well. So what I'm doing is I make these, but then I should not make them like this. I have to do it, yeah. I need to change them up so they automatically end in their own width. Does that make any sense? Can't explain it in English really good, so blub, blub, blub. So that's it, and we're gonna make these a group. Oh man, it bugs me so much that that it's not on the same size, just because this has so much leverage on the bottom. Anyway, do I group them? No, not right now. Let's first find some icons for these. So I think what is easy is research points, because if you're looking for icons, research points is always quite easy to find research icons, like a jar or something. Let's go to my favorite icon size. Icon size. Icon website. Man. And it's just search for research. Yeah. I don't like that I maybe find something like lab. What else can we search for? Glass, maybe? Drink. Mana. How are they called? These science glasses they use for in science labs. Oh man. How are these called? What if I search for science? Does anybody know what I mean? What I can search for? Oh man. Science icon. Yeah, these. How are they called? Beaker. Beaker icon? No. Oh god, I hate that. Okay, let's start with the other icons. So AI components would be maybe something like a computer chip or something. Let's search for AI just out of curious. Does not really come something up, right? No, not really. So I'm going with what did I just say? Computer chips. So let's search for computer. CPU. CPU is going to be good. Yeah, let's search for CPU. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for, but without a number. Yeah, something like that, but without a number, but I can maybe delete the number later on my own. So CPU or maybe GPU? So graphics card. Component. This, do I like that? Video input component? Not really, right? Okay, we're gonna see. Profit loss, how do I want to display profit loss? How do I display profit loss in an icon? Oh, that's my icon. Yeah, let's go with chart. Chart icon. Yeah, this is nice, actually. Or this maybe. No, that's for my portfolio. Yeah. Chart. Yeah, I like that for my portfolio. I hope that looks good. If not, I can maybe use this one as well. Chart pie. Gotta see. Gotta see. And maybe this is my science icon. I mean, why not? Yeah, this could be a cool profit loss icon. So profit loss icon, and then I need a cash icon and my portfolio value. Yeah, cash is gonna be easy, I guess. So cash. Just going for a $sign or something. Yeah, it's pretty much something like that. Cash. I don't like that it's a rectangle. Yeah, but we're gonna see. Maybe it looks cool, but I feel like it's not what I'm looking for. Let's switch for money. Yeah, maybe this is better. Gonna see. Okay, so let's put the icons in and see how they look. Let's start with my portfolio value. I had this chart by white. Yeah. Oh, I know. I need to get all these so I can make them all the same size, just to be sure to yeah, have the same sizes for each of these. Plop, plop. And now make them white and drop them in. Is that too big for an icon? Too small, right? Yeah, could be a little bit bigger, but just a little bit. Let's see. Maybe like this. That's a good size. Oh. I don't want them to have some odd numbers here, so I'm going for straight numbers. So this is 21 maybe. No, I want numbers that are dividable by 4, so 20. What's this? Yeah, let's make it 24, so this is also so strange. Let's go like this. $24, and yeah, maybe let's do 13. What's about this? This is easy, okay. let's see how it looks like. So that's my portfolio. I kind of like it, but I'm not sure. Maybe. The cache icon. I'm not so sure about the cache icon. Maybe it's better to just have the $sign. But it's so big somehow. This looks really big. But I can change that. So, do I like that for research? No, for AI components. Yeah, that's fine. I feel like that's pretty much what I'm looking for. Now I'm now going to delete these, so I just have straight component. Yeah, no looks like shit. Is this cool for research points? It's okay-ish, but not so great. Oh man. Don't I have more of these? Chart bubble, finance. Yeah, finance is my profit loss, right? Oh, that looks sexy. I like that one. The first one that actually looks good, where I'm really happy with. So I'm just going to select these two and align them in the middle. Yeah, that looks cool. I like that. That's a cool icon. And I probably like the portfolio icon. But let's try out the other one I've been using. Where is it? Chart bubble? Chart bubble? Chart bubble? No. It's a pie chart. Menu no. Chart arc is this one, right? No, please don't open it. Please stop. Don't open it. Thank you. Did I forget to download it? Yeah, right? Pie. This one. Chart pie. Seems like I didn't download it. Okay. There it is. Now does that look any better? Not really, huh? Could be, but I like this one more. I just think it's stupid that this stuff is outlined a bit more away from the other one, so maybe I can bring them in again, which is going to be hard because I need to exactly find the point. Can I just... Yeah, maybe like this, right? I think no one is going to notice. Yeah, no one is going to notice. I just lost connection to my mouse, but it has enough battery, so I don't know. So we can delete that one and change the size of this one to 22 and 22. So it's looking good and nice. Does that look good? Yeah, it's okay. Maybe I find a better one. Oh, there's also this one. Donut chart. Maybe that's better. I don't know. But could be. Could be better. It's a little bit easier on the eyes. Let's make it the same size as the other one. Let's make it white. Put that into my design. Does that look? That's not even better. Oh man, somehow this one was better. Maybe even this one is better. Yeah, this one, I mean, it's kind of boring a little bit, but it's straight up to the point, and you get the point seeing it, and it's clean, and I like it. Let's leave that. And yeah, the cash icon. I don't like the cash icon, so I need to find something else for money. But I'm sure I'm not going to like this one. I want something that's the same size in width as well as height, so that's why I don't like this one, because it's really long and the outline is big and looks just clunky. Maybe this one is better. But I'm not so optimistic, because that looks really clunky as well. Gotta see. Yeah, it's okay-ish, but maybe like make a suitcase? Does a suitcase? Nah. A bag maybe? I was thinking like having a bag to like having a bag of money or something. I think this cash symbol is nice. I like that better than this one. So maybe it's just having this symbol. Maybe that's the solution. Let me see. Can I just delete all of these? So I just have this symbol right here. I can make that one a little bit bigger, like 12 and 20 sounds good. Yeah. That's better. I like that one. That's cool. I'm now just gonna improve, make this a little bit longer, but not so much longer. I need smaller steps. I need to make them like a baby step longer. Plop. And here as well. So it's better readable, because these strings are a little bit longer. Yeah, I like that. That looks good. That's my cash icon. Okay. Did I put that in the middle? Yes, I did. Okay. Here as well. Put that in the middle. Put this one in the middle. Okay. Yeah, then my AI components. This one is a bit trickier. But I was thinking about having it like this, and maybe I just need an outline for it to look good. So maybe we can do it like this. Now just need to find the curve, the correct curve. And it's not this one. And it's not this one, but this is maybe the one that's best fitting. No, it's like this, right? Yeah. This would maybe the best. At least it would fit the best, so put that in the middle. Oh, that did not work so good. Why? Oh, because can't find the middle. Yeah. So it needs to be... How big is that? 30. Yeah, this needs to be one bigger. Now I can make that 14 is nice, so yeah, I can make it like this. And now I'm selecting that and reducing it, so I have this. Which does look like a component for a computer. Just make it a little bit smaller. And we do have our CPU. Don't we? Do I like that? I could like that, but somehow maybe we find something better. God, my English. Yeah, maybe this is a computer component, or maybe... Nah, maybe, I don't know. Tech. Okay, tech is not working. PC. Server, maybe server is good. Yeah, server might actually be a good thing. If I take these and remove one of the server units, it could look quite cool. Let's put this in, because I think 3 are too much. Are they too much? Yeah, right. It's kind of cool, but I feel like it's a little bit too much. So maybe remove one of these, like this, and only have this icon. Yeah, that's better. Now make it... Oh, that was not so smart. Just make them like 21. Is that too much? Yeah, right. Yeah, it looks kind of clunky. Yeah, oh god, that's not looking at good. So let's keep it like this. I think it looks better than this one. Another idea would be to search for signal. But now, that's also not so cool. I go with that one. I don't like my chip. Or maybe search for unit. I get Unity. Yeah. No. No, it's not so cool. Yeah, research points, I don't like this one, but... What else can I go for? Currency. That's interesting. Yeah, but all of these look shit as well. Or maybe this one. Maybe I can use this one for here. Yeah, that would look kind of cool, I guess. Let's see. I like that it's round and closed in itself. Yeah, now make it a little bit bigger, like this. How much is this? 20. This is 20 as well, and it does not look the same size, but it's totally the same size. Jesus. This is also the same. This is not the same, but that's fine. Yeah. Do I like that more than the other cache icon? Yes. It's not so clunky, but maybe it needs to be one notch bigger. I don't know why, because it's, I guess because it's just a circle and not fully filled with a color. Let's try this one out, because that's filled and that might look good in just 20 pixel size. So, do we like that? No, we don't. I think the other one was better. I think even the other money thing is still better. Just a little bit too big, but anything else it does look better. Let's keep it. Okay, so what other useful text do we have? Database. Oh, that's interesting. Maybe my components are a database, but I like this layout. And database is not so cool. No, it's fine. I'm good. Animal. Audio. Interesting. Developer. Oh, hello. These are components. Yeah. I mean, I could totally use something like that for my component, but I like it. Let's keep it. Fuck it. Devices, emoji, fillers. So we need something for our research points. Let's see what we got. Maybe the hardware tools. Gaming and RPG. There's a mana. A mana. Anything for research points? There's a tech 3. Could be it. A puzzle? No. Medical and math. This is also not useful, and maybe medical. Because medical is pretty much what I was looking for. Could use a brain, but that's so... Nah. There's really just nothing good. Nature maybe for research, because you can grow stuff. No. Science. Oh yeah, I found it. Thank God. I finally found something. I was looking for these flasks. Yeah, flask. Okay. Oh, microscope. Yeah, nice. A molecule. Yeah. Yeah, I like these. That's a test cube. Also great. Rockets. Yeah, research could also be a rocket. I like that. I like that idea. Because the rest is really medical. Or maybe something like that could also be research. So, what am I going for? I'm developing an AI. So, what would make sense for an AI to have research basic stuff? Maybe like this, but that's kind of word icon. Could be a flask, but no. Rocket. I feel like rockets and one of these is maybe my best bet. And then I would go for this one. I like that it's an atom, and I don't know why, but I feel like my AI could improve with some kind of atoms. Yeah, it does not look good. It's funny how you look at that and you say, yeah, that could work, that looks cool, and then you put it into your design and it's like, no, that's just not looking good. Maybe this one, which is really small. Let's make it bigger. Nah, that's also not looking good, so maybe it really is the rocket. Let's try out the rocket, or maybe this one, the orbit one. I like the orbit, because it's similar to this one, just different. Yeah, maybe that's cool. Maybe that's cooler, but let's try out the rocket first. The rocket could be it. I like the rocket. What's your size? It's 22 and 12. 22 and 12? Okay. Well, this needs to be 22 and 18. It needs to be white, and let's put it in. Yeah, I mean, it's a rocket. Do I like the rocket? Or do I want to go for something else? Let's try this one. No, that's not good looking. No one understands that this means research. Let's try out the flask. This was my first idea, and I've been looking for something like a flask the whole time. Maybe that looks good. And we have two different variants, so Yeah, I mean, if you ask me what looks like research, I think this looks the most like research. I like that it's round. It's a little bit more gamey. This is really hard, if that makes any sense. But on the other hand, my whole game is pretty rough and pretty hard and pretty well polished, and yeah, let's go with this one. So it does have the right size, so it can just easily size it. And there we are. These are my icons. I would love to make these a little bit more higher. Can I do that in an easy way? Yeah, I can make it just like this, right? So maybe making 15. No, 16. They have to be 16. Yeah, but is that looking better? Maybe. Maybe make them better, bigger. Yeah, so that's better recognizable. It's better. Okay. Yeah, so I do have icons. Great. What I can now do is make this a group and group it with these, and do that for all of these. So these are all in a group. I can easily move them if I have to. Okay. And now I can safely align them the way I want it. How much space do I need from the top? Kind of like, feel like 24 would be good, so it's 6, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 from the top. 7, 8. 8 from the top. Yeah. That looks good for me. Let's move all of these. Yeah, now I can give everything the same 80 pixels spacing. But I feel like it needs to be a little bit more, because if I just do it like this, I feel like the spacing is not enough. I need more. It all looks kind of a little bit clunky and not so well polished. Of course, I'm reducing, changing the colors, but is that enough? No, I will have these as well. Yeah, right. So and of course these numbers go up, so they are stretched out a little bit more. But maybe I'm putting my currencies here. I feel like I was not sure the whole time if I want to make my rectangles to be straight with straight corners, or if I want to make like curvy corners. And now I'm seeing I feel like I have to make curvy corners at least a little bit, because if I look at that and just make it like 3, this is way more friendly. This is way more friendly looking, and maybe I need 5. So looks like this. It's similar to what they do here, yeah. What if these are 5 as well? You don't. It's just really subtle, but makes a whole lot of difference in the UI. I mean, compare these two, and this one is way more friendly. This one is so harsh. And at least at the end, we are making a game, right? So I think we should focus on that and try to make it a little bit more gamey. So I like that. I will go for curvy round borders for the win. Yeah, that's better. That looks way more like a game I would like to play. So we have this all set up. Give them on borders as well. Yeah, I don't feel like I think they should all line up, and as the game progresses, you get these more and more. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool and good looking. Let's do it like this. I'm just thinking that maybe these numbers are too big as well. I mean, maybe it's just 20 pixels. Because these numbers look really bloated. No, not bloated, but kind of like a little bit too big. So let's see if I can. Well, then everything perfectly fits. No, it does not. Yeah, no fits. Does it need to be a little bit smaller again? Like, does it need to be like this? Maybe. So what does look better, this one or this one? This one is better. From just looking at the topography, this one is way better. This looks more balanced. Like, I've got, what is this? 14 pixels, and then topping it with 20 pixels makes more sense than having 24 pixels. So that's the jump is too big. So I'm rather go with this one. But then again, I have to change the size of the icon. At least a little bit, I feel like. Or does that look any good? I mean, it's okay. But I feel like this should be more like this, and this maybe like this. No. I guess it's fine. Yeah, I mean, when I'm doing like these commas, then of course it does look better. It does look better than having this one reaching out of its space. Yeah, let's go with these. I like that. Okay. So I have to reduce the size of all of these, right? Or does it match perfectly straight up? No, right? Does it? Oh yeah, I have to bump it, but then it's okay. Oh, it's 410, so I need to do like this. Or do I bump it next to it? No. And 16 is too much, right? Yeah, 16 is too much, so 12 is good. We have 12? Yeah. Okay. Make it 20 and move it up a little bit. This as well. That looks way better. I'm glad we just did that. That's important. Might not look like much, but that's a really good decision. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so I need to rearrange my spacing here, so I have like 80 pixels of spacing. Here as well. Here as well. And here as well. Okay. I think these can come down a little bit more. Just how many do I have right now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, maybe it's 10. Yeah. So this one should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 as well. Yeah, that looks good. That's nice spacing right here. Okay. Let's make all of these the same size. Yeah. This one is a little bit longer. Okay. So that's cool. I like it so far. So what should we do? Should we bring in some colors for these? So make them maybe like in their color, or should we continue with these, try to style these? I feel like we need color anyway, so that would be good. Yeah, so I'm going to add color right now. I think the most easiest one would be to use these colors just as a placeholder for me to style at least a little bit with color. So I think about copying these colors so I just can use something, and then of course create my own later. Yeah, I guess that makes more sense. Okay, what about this color? It's ugly. Shit. And this one? Oh my god, it's so ugly. I can't work with these colors. No, I don't. I don't like that. Okay, I have to get different colors. Maybe take something out of here? No. No, no, no. Yeah, so I need to find a nice color combination. But to be fair, I like this blue. So maybe it's just the blue tone I like and should take over with me. Yeah, it's interesting. This one in this blue look, does that look good? No, it does not look good. It doesn't have to. Of course, it doesn't have to. So what about this blue? Maybe that's more what I'm looking for. This one. Yeah, I mean, these two are okay. But I just don't like the violet color all of this is going into. Yeah, this is good. That's okay, but I want more green than having this violet. So maybe going with the green they're using here. Yeah, but I don't know what green it is. Can I take it from here? No. Not really. Maybe from here. Yeah, I think that's the green one. Yeah, how do I steal that in a clever way? Like this, right? So this green, maybe that's what I'm looking for. Oh, it's really colorful, but on the other hand, I need colorful stuff. So let's see. When I do this, yeah, it looks good. It's a nice looking green. I'm gonna add all of these right now, just to have something. Because I think maybe... No, that's boring, right? That green is really boring. Yeah, I like a green like that. Maybe that's more what I'm looking for. Let's see. Yeah, that could work. But the contrast is not high enough. So to make it readable, I need more color. Yeah, it needs to be something like that. And that again is a really strong green. Which is not bad, but just saying. Yeah, I guess something like that would look good. How does it look in here? Yeah, it's nice. I like these colors because I can make like a nice transition between them if I have to. So that's a big plus. Yeah, so I need colors that are a little bit more darker. So I could make them my own, or I could look for colors online. What should I do? I feel like looking for colors online might be the way to go. Yeah. What I like doing is I go to Dribble and just look what other people are using for their colors. I just get inspired. So do you see anything that does have good colors? I should go into product design, or maybe even mobile. Yeah, maybe even mobile. But I don't see so many good color combinations right now. Let's try it out. It's actually the same color I was picking earlier, so yeah, I like that color. Let's delete this one, paste that in. And I feel like their main color, this main Atlassian blue, might be what I was picking here earlier. So let's see. Yeah, it's not the same, but it's... this one could be it, yeah. But they are really similar, so... yeah, they're really similar to what I was picking earlier. Let's delete that, so... yeah. Let's bring in some of these colors as well. So I have some lighter tones to work with. And please don't think I'm stealing Atlassian's colors right here. I'm just pasting them in so I have something to work with on my own when developing it. And after having a good color scheme and a good basic setup, I'm gonna change colors anyway in the end to make it look the way I want it. And I'm just picking here blues, but in the end it could also be, the whole game could be green or, I don't know, red or something. So this is just for me picking colors I know will work in most, like, any environment, because Atlassian has tested it. And that's pretty safe for me to go with these colors. So that's pretty much the only reason I'm using these. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I got all these colors. I'm not sure about the greens, but I could see use of a better green when going here. Like, maybe this green is better for display on dark backgrounds. Let's see. Oh, it's... actually, I don't like that anymore. Because that's really light. So I don't like Atlassian's greens. I have to say that. I don't like the greens. I have to pick my own, yeah. Maybe look at something else. Shopify has some great design system as well. You can pick colors from them. Yeah, it's Polaris. Let's see. Colors, colors, colors. Maybe design colors, yeah. Yeah, let's try their green. Maybe that looks better. It actually does. But is it better than what I had before? It kinda is. Let's see. Yeah, maybe. What about the dark one? Yeah, the dark one is too dark. Maybe be something for like this, yeah. Yeah, I could go with these. Maybe, I'm not so sure. Doesn't Slack have a good design system? Oh, but it's... I see, yeah. It's not public. What about Google material design? Maybe the colors are better. Let's see. Color, the color system. Oh yeah, the Google colors are really bright. not what I aim for in this game. So yeah, that looks great, but it's not what I want to do with my game. Oh, holy crap, they have a lot of colors. Well, that might be good because I can maybe take one of these. Yeah, I'm trying these out. But I was curious what the dark theme is. Do they have colors exclusively for the dark theme? No, right? Or do they? No. Okay, no. Okay, let's maybe try out one of these colors. Do I like that more? Yeah, that looks better, right? The other one is grass green. I don't like that one. Yeah, that looks cool. I like that. That looks cool. So I should maybe go with these. Let's try that out. Yeah, that's sexy. That is sexy, so I'm going to go with this one. I like that. So, how am I going to do it? I'm going to... Oh, this is also for the dark one, right? The dark theme, these colors. So then I can use it for these small applications, so yeah, they pop out. Oh my god, that's sexy as hell. Google, you are clever. Oh yeah, that's popping. That's nice. Okay. But these are really lots of many colors. I don't need so many colors. Yeah. I'm quickly going to make some fields so I can apply colors to these fields. Let's do it like this and like that. I do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blue tones, so I try to also get like 7 green tones, if that's possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, that could work. Let's try. Let's try. So this is already this color, right? Yes. Then I go with the darker blue, green. I don't really have darker tones. I can't really get darker. I can only make it more blue, and then it's like this. Which does not look bad, but I'm not sure that's the way I wanna go. So maybe I need to introduce another color range. I mean, sure, that can work, but that looks kind of stupid. Even if I make this more like... But no, that looks stupid. I pretty much need something in this color range. But this gray is too dark, right? Yeah, it's a little bit too dark, so I would need... yeah, something lighter. But let's add these colors to my color portfolio as well. So I've got this as my dark tone. I got this as my not so dark tone, but still pretty dark. And then I can maybe search for something that's more in this range. So maybe I'm also using the ones from Google or Shopify. How does that look like? Yeah, it's really dark. Oh, I don't like that one. And ink is just ink, right? So it does not have any added color. It's just black. Yeah, it needs a little bit more blue into it, mixed into it. So maybe the Atlassian wants to have some blue mixed into. Hello? Yeah, like these. Maybe? I'm not sure. I mean, that looks kind of blue, but... holy heck, that's the darkest blue they have. Holy crap. That's not really dark. Interesting. Interesting, they don't really have any dark tones. Wow, okay. Is that really the correct color? It is. Okay. Then it seems like I have to mix my own one. At least I feel like I have to mix my own one. Where do I get this color from? Because it looks really good in my eyes. But it's not so anything I had before. Let's look at the HSB values. It actually is 212, okay. Interesting. But this is color, right? Yeah. So, okay, interesting. So, yeah, okay, I see. I see. Anyway. Yeah, I somehow need to create a color that's a little bit lighter than this one. So maybe I go up by a little bit. I should maybe test it out in this one, so I can see how the different is actually working. That makes no sense. I need to do it here. So something like that. This is what I'm looking for. But then again, a little bit more colorful. It's hard to do that. Yeah, it's really hard to do that. Maybe this color works. Let's try it out. Yeah, it's fine, but also not so special. But I take it. I take it. Put that into my... Oh, okay, yeah, no. Needs to be lighter. Yeah, it needs to be like this, I guess. It looks a little bit better. Is there actually enough difference between these colors? Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Let's leave it like that. But this needs to be more colorful anyway, so... I feel like I want to do something like this, like having this color in here. Yeah, maybe that looks cool. And then here I'm using, oh, for the border I'm using like this, maybe. Nah, that looks not cool, but guess I can go away with something like this. I mean, why not? It's quite cool. I'm wondering if it's too blue. Too much blue. Probably. But you live only once. No, it's nice. I like it. Looks cool. Looks cool. Okay. Yeah, seems about right for me. Why not? I can also make these colorful if I want to. Like having the same same colors for all of these. Might be a little bit boring. I'm gonna see. We have to see. I'm thinking about doing something really special and making something like that. Maybe that would look cool. I don't know. Let's see. What if I go for this color in both? Go here and reduce the transparency, having it like that. Also just like here. And then even this is not full transparency. Okay. This is totally ugly, holy shit. This is so ugly. Please, don't. Okay, yeah, that was totally ugly. Never gonna do that again. Yeah, but all in all, I kind of like it. I like it. Do we have a color for this one? Not really, right? Yeah, it could be this one. Oh. This one? No. Huh? Oh. Yeah. No, we don't have any color for this, so we need to tone that a little bit lighter. Maybe this one. Does it work? Yeah, that could work. That's too much color, I feel like. Yeah, maybe just like this. Let's copy the hex. That cool? Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Let's add this color as well. So I have one for these. Yeah, I like it. Is the year always like this? No. Maybe these are just right. I mean, like, maybe that could work. I don't know. We're gonna see. So, and these are just medium. I think they are worth at least bold. Oh, semi-bold. Semi-bold? Yeah, right. Semi-bold, and they also can easily be like 18 pixels, 20 pixels. 20? That too much? Yeah, that's too much. But maybe 18. Because these are the main navigation points. Yeah, and the burger is also a little bit too small. Can easily be like 24 pixels. Yeah, that's better. And this one is bold. Can it be extra bold? Yes, it can. Can it be black? Maybe that's even black. I like the idea of having it black. With like 100. Oh, that's too much, but 75. Yeah. Oh, that's also too much. Maybe 50. Maybe these are uppercase. No, they are not going to be uppercase. So this is 18. This is 18 as well. Yeah, it's fine. Or is it fine? Maybe 16. I mean, in contrast to this, to these, they look so small, so I want to bump them up a little bit to make them look at least the same size. So 18 is good. Let's align them in the middle. Oh, I forgot to. Yeah, like this. This is 3 pixels. Why can't it be on top of this? That's interesting. No, it makes sense, right? Yeah, of course. It needs to be 4, so it can be split up equally. But 4 does look kind of clunky, right? Maybe if I make rounded corners. Yeah, well, let's go with that. Maybe just 2. That's too small, right? Yeah. But 4 is really big. I liked 3. 3 is cool, but can't be in the middle of this thing, so... Tough decisions to make. Welcome to my life. Ah, fuck it, let's do it just like that, and it's okay. So... and can be a little bit bigger. So I can now align these two. And put that 80 pixels away from this one. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8. Maybe I'm changing where the year is displayed, the time. Maybe it's going down here somewhere. I have to see. I have to see. Maybe I'll change that later. So what are we going to do next? Do I start with the map? No, let's... I think we're gonna wrap it up for today. We only got the main menu on top of it working, and it looks quite cool, I guess. And yeah, we found our colors, so I do now have a color scheme where we can work with the whole design process. That's cool. And we found our icons for these, so that's also important. I think that's a good way to end the stream now. And yeah, because tackling this map is going to be quite hard, and I'm not so sure where I want to place these fields for the employees, and the upgrades, how they look like, how they feel like. So there are a lot of question marks for me. So I feel like we're gonna wrap it up for today. Yes. If you have any questions, leave them in the chat, and I'm gonna answer them, of course. Yeah. Anything else? Just gotta make that tomorrow. So I'm just gonna wait a few seconds, for a few minutes. If you have any questions, leave them in the chat. Other than that, nice for everyone. Thank you for everyone who went by. I like the idea of having my trading, my AI, visualization of my AI. Maybe have it like something like this. I don't like the meter, but I like having some stats to show here, so we can signal how successful our AI is in making trades and all that stuff. That could be something I could enjoy. Yeah, maybe we're doing this the next stream. Maybe even something like this, or this as an AI visualization. Oh yeah, that would be nice. Having like these lines and they just warp the whole time and do some animations just to have some feeling of someone doing something, even it's just an AI. That could be fun. Yes. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up now. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a good day, have a good evening. See you the next time. I'm going to stream the next every Monday and Wednesday, so at around 5 or 6 p.m. So If you're interested in following my game design process, tune in the next time and have a good day. Bye bye und auf Wiedersehen.